with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Got another wig from U&A Hair. They sent me their newest wig. The packaging is tea, y'all. Hair clips, HD wig caps, hair clips, pre-cut lace, lash cluster, pre-plucked synthetic wig, y'all. Look at that headline. This hair is really silky and full and thick. Here's the cap construction. It is a 9x7. You get 2 combs in the front. Elastic band to what is wig glueless. Then you got a bra strap right here in the back. The part is a C part.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty pa' my cellular. No. You won't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come in with the comments. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only gotta make a call and I'm here. I'm the one to know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your hair. Make a stick up, I want to put it in the rear. Wanna give D, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm breaking your word, it doesn't feel no winner. Help every picture, I'm polarized. Shit tough, you know I want. Put the street feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take it, shit, you not stop. Have a play with you, be a war.
What they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come me with the comments. Or DJ turn the sound.
Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish?